Hi everyone. Crypto Blush makes another video for another cryptocurrency, and that is nothing but Tether. Okay, Tether or USD both are having the same prices. Okay, so if you are US person or if you are American, then it probably doesn't affect. But if you are Indian, it may affect you. But Tether is basically, if you see, there are a number of scams people are doing on Tether. So Tether is really is worth taking for you. Do you believe it? Yes, I don't think so, because if you wanted to buy, you can buy directly USD rather than buying Tether. Tether price is 86.5158 INR right now. So suppose if I'm an investor, if I'm buying in USD, why I needed Tether rather than I can go somewhere else. I mean, if I'm an Indian investor, I need to give it to you same pricing everywhere. And yes, in Tether there are a number of scam. Every night there is a new app came to the market, and they say that we are offering this number of Tether. Then that app has gone in the haywire. I mean, that app has literally goes somewhere else. People are fake from Indonesia, Pakistan, or somewhere else. So safe sider, I will say, and you will lose your account. You will have a lot of issues. Yes, there are a number of people who makes video and they says that this is a free, that is free. A pack region having more number of people using a Tether, but these are the scams and scams and scams. Do you believe it? Cryptocurrencies, Crypto Blush is only recommending some of the cryptocurrency which will be worth and secure. See, suppose if you are having BTC, anybody can have an attack on your BTC. I mean, it depends on that. Depends on exchange where you keep it safe. Like Tether sometimes disappear from your wallet even, I guess so. You can check your Tether wallet and let me know into the comment. But yes, I will say rather than buying a Tether, you can buy in USD. USDT or USD, the same is there. Okay, so Crypto Blast said Tether is equal to exchange in dollars. So you can, if you really wanted to hold Ether or if you really wanted to hold the dollars, it depends on your choices. But anyways, if you want cryptocurrency Ether, keep it in your wallet. I mean crypto wallet, not as a wallet. I mean cell phone mobile wallet. MetaMask is there, so MetaMask or whichever. Would you like to recommend any kind of wallet? Let me know. Okay, I will also share few of the wallet very soonly where you can use it. Yeah, there are a number of exchanges are there, but sometimes they grab your data and then you will get the notice from your income tax department. Depends on you where you are trading. They have in India, it's an unwanted investigation. Unwanted, your data has exposure, so it's better to keep it your wallet in the safe sider. So do you believe it? You want me to suggest a wallet, crypto wallet? Let me know into the comment, and which crypto wallet you are using, that also you can comment into the comment box.